So back in Runaway Bay, this is the owner-built house of someone who's been in the industry for a very long time, often referred to as the godfather of the steel framed industry. So it's not your typically, owner-built sort of style or use of materials. He's used Besser block or a split-faced block work on the lower level. There's no cavity, it's not a brick veneer house, this is proper block work. So no external frames are used on the lower level, just this block work, and then it's all steel frames everywhere else. It's used a super span floor system as well for both levels. It is in a flood zone, so both levels are up off the ground. So downstairs block work, upstairs is Hebel. It's got some big 2700 high bi-parting stacking doors on that upper level there for a Juliet balcony. Also use Hebel flooring. It is a little bit harder to lay. It stops any drumming noise that you might get from a particle board floor and gives the same sort of effect as if it was a concrete slab on this level. So we'll have a quick look through. There's like a dining room. It's all open plan down here. It also, a lot of the downstairs space has been utilised as a double car garage. On the upper level, so you go up the staircase, it's got solid oak staircase, so it's still covered at the moment. And you get an idea of what it's going to look like on the top tread there, or top riser. And once again, we're back onto the elevated Hebel flooring. So very, very solid underfoot. It gives that very solid sort of feel to the house. Good for acoustics and great for thermal qualities as well. There's an IKEA kitchen. The owner has actually put most of this together himself from a flat pack. He's done it many times before, and it, once it's got the bench top on there, you cannot tell where it's been, where the cabinet where it's come from, and it's very quick and easy to put together. So these are these 2.7 high stacking sliding doors from Stegbar, and we're basically open plan living, dining, kitchen, and then you've got the 3 bedrooms. So there's 1 bedroom in here. Second, this is the main bathroom for the upper level, and this is the master bedroom or master suite. So here is the ensuite. Once again, IKEA cabinetry. But it's only probably about 2 or 3 weeks away from completion on this house. Plumber and electrician are booked in. Painter's doing his final paint and finish. And so, yeah, it won't be long before this is completed.